Hi to all, this is Jagadish. Today current affairs, December 4, 2020. First one is Cyclone Burevi is named by which country? Maldives. Recently, because due to the one cyclone, the south side of India is affected. Mainly, I think Andhra Pradesh. That is Nivar. Cyclone Nivar was named by Iran, and Cyclone Nisarga named by Bangladesh. Cyclone Gati named by India. India was named one of the cyclone that is known as Gati. These four cyclone names you have to remember because we don't know which one will be asked in our examination. Next one. Which state has set a target to eliminate AIDS by 2030? Which state has set a target to eliminate AIDS by 2030? That is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh want to eliminate the AIDS by 2030 and to eliminate TB by 2025. That is India, all over the India. India wants to eliminate TB by tuberculosis by 2025. Indian Naval Day is observed on December 4th. Union Tribal Affairs Minister has launched 10-day long Adi Mahotsav in which Indian state? Madhya Pradesh. In our India, mainly the tribals are situated in Madhya Pradesh state only. And the main forests of mainly the huge forests are in MP. Who became India's new ambassador to the WTO? Brajendra Navneet. Which is the first country in the world to approve the Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for use? That is United Kingdom. Recently, which state government has banned tobacco products for all state government employees? Jharkhand. This is very important bit. Once again, we will see recently which state government has banned tobacco products for all state government employees? Jharkhand. Next one is Nongpak Sakamai police station, which has been ranked the best police station in the country, is located in Manipur. The persons who are preparing for the department, that is police department, is mainly important bit to these people. This is 2020 regarding 2020 police station, that is Manipur. International Day of Persons with Disabilities is being observed on 3rd December. Indian Naval Day is observed on December 4th. Here we are seeing the theme, that is theme is Indian Navy combat ready, credible and cohesive. Next one is Dev Deepavali festival is celebrated in which Indian city? Varanasi. The world's loneliest elephant from Pakistan, it is named as Kawan, has been shifted to which country? Cambodia. Because we are saying here the loneliest elephant means that it is only the ancient elephant. Mount Semeru, which was making news recently, is an active volcano in which country? Indonesia. TOP scheme, which was making news, is being implemented by which ministry? Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. The TOP's full form is Target Olympic Podium Scheme. Which state has implemented a triple P model for rescue and rehabilitation of leopards? Triple P full form is Public Private Partnership. This answer is Gujarat. Thank you. Please like my videos, share it and then subscribe to my channel.